Hey you guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have tons to do. We got some cleaning motivation. I'm going to be rearranging my living room, which I've never done in this house, and we've lived here for quite a few years. So just doing a little refresh there. I'm also adding some new rugs into our home. We're cooking a recipe, so lots going on in this video. I hope you are ready, and we're gonna go ahead and jump right in.
I don't wanna wait for you.
All right, first things first is we are adding a new rug in my living room today, which I am super excited. I did get this rug from Well Woven. So they are affordable, and I could already tell that this is a high quality rug. They also say that they're easy to clean and stain resistant. So right now I'm just going ahead and unrolling it and letting it lay out flat so it can remove some of those bumps and creases. So I'm just gonna let it settle, and until then, we're gonna go ahead and start undecorating my fall decor in preparation for decorating for Christmas, and I'm really excited for that. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of my Christmas decorating holiday videos. So what's really nice is I pretty much got all of the downstairs fall decor into that storage bin. I store all of my holiday decor in the garage, and so I want to keep the garage spacious and put together. I like to try and consolidate as much as I can in one bin. I just went ahead and got rid of some of the packaging that the decor came in. Before, I was just putting the decor pieces back in the boxes and then storing those in the bins, and that just takes too much space. So we're gonna go ahead and do a quick clean in here. I always work from top to bottom, so we will be vacuuming and mopping the floor when I change out the rug and rearrange the furniture. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and dust the TV and the entertainment center, and then also wiping down the tables. So I'm gonna be moving this rug into my office area in that other room, and then the rug in there is gonna go upstairs back in the loft. We used to have it in the loft, so we're putting it back in there, and I'm going ahead and vacuuming first just so I don't drag dirt off this rug and just drag it all over the house. So I'm doing a quick vacuum around here because it needed it, and then I will go ahead and vacuum and mop the floors before putting the new rug down. So I'm going ahead and taking a cloth and just wiping the bottoms of the couches there on that wood. There was like some dog hair and dust, and I just wanted to shine them up a little bit before I throw the rug underneath.
This is such a rush. I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you. I wish you could be happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie. LA made you crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye. LA made you crazy, yeah, yeah.
So I still had some of those bumps in the rug, so I wanted to wait a couple of days and see if they settled after having it flat and out. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna go ahead and take my steamer and steam them out. Absolutely love this rug. I think it is so beautiful, and it's gonna look really nice with my holiday decor. I think it's a new, fresh vibe in my living room that my living room was needing. I do have 2 more rugs I'm gonna be adding into the kitchen in a few minutes in this video. I also asked them for a discount code for you guys, because that always helps when you're purchasing a new rug. It is Lindsey 15, so you do get 15% off. That is valid all the way until November 18th. So I'm gonna go ahead and link the rugs down below in the description box if you are looking for a new rug. I'm obsessed with the living room one, and I can't wait to show you the other ones.
Yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye.
So I started working out in the gym again, and I needed something to hold my phone, my keys, and my earbuds case. And so I found this really cute little mini belt bag or fanny pack that I got from Amazon, and it has adjustable straps. It has some little pockets in there where you can like stick your cards and separate things for organization. And I really like it because it's slim, so it's not bulky or in the way. I'm not setting my phone on the ground when I'm doing my weightlifting or anything like that. And it was super affordable. It's $18, and they say that it's the Lululemon dupe. I don't know how much that one is, but I love dupes.
You only want what you can afford.
Also, the bin that I just took upstairs, I did that so I can undecorate my fall decor in my bedroom later on and just go ahead and store what I can in that bin before putting it in the garage.
Fox or Charlie Chaplin, oh well. Another guy, no style. Push me, baby, let's go to the edge. See what Mother Nature brought us today, yeah, yeah. I like it through your lens. I'll take my time with the protects you sent. Emotionally, I still need a break, oh well. Just a one night stand. 1, 2, 3, oh hi. It's nice to meet you here online. Oh no, 5 other guys on hold.
So I did go ahead and pick up some new Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner, and this is in the scent Fall Leaves. So I'm going to use that. And then I also went ahead and picked up the holiday peppermint, the snowdrop, I believe, a few of those scents. I'm really excited to use these. They're always fun just to bring in a little bit of the seasonal scents into your home so we can feel more of those holiday vibes.
But I'm not in love with you. 1, 2, 3, oh hi. Nice to meet you here online. No, no.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and put down the other rugs that I got from Well Woven, and that is these two runners right here. I absolutely love them. I think that they're beautiful. I just wish I chose a bigger size for my kitchen, and I think these two would be great in a little bit smaller kitchen. It would like fit better in my opinion. I still love them, and I think they're so pretty, and I think the quality is amazing, and that they're easy to clean.
1, 2, 3, oh hi, nice to meet you. Here online, no, no.
Okay, so everything is undecorated and ready to decorate for Christmas. We're gonna jump into the recipe because I wanted to prepare dinner, and we're having chili today. So here's all my ingredients here. I already have them out and portioned. I'm gonna go ahead and put the recipe for this chili in the description box.
Lay your eyes, something real nice. Go too hard, couple of times. Find the one, will I see the light? Turn around, come to terms with the fire, you're still mine. All of this time, past like nothing, changing your mind. Face keep rushing, looking at mine. Come around, girl, come to terms with the fire, you're still mine. I just wanna see you live life. You just wanna lay down like you already forgot about the price. It be charging you per night, yeah. Cashing 9, you be jumping at first. As if I would catch you now. I know you know I'm still in your thirst. And at this hood on lay your eyes, somewhere real nice. Go too hard, couple of times. Find the one, will I see light? Turn around, come to terms with the fire, you're still mine. All of this time, past like nothing, changing your mind. Face keep rushing, looking at mine. Come around, girl, come to terms with the fire, you're still mine. Little salt in the boom from the cradle. Make it hard, staying true like some Play-Doh. Have it pop like you do with the yayo. If it a hit, I need to quit, no, if it fatal. You ain't fooling anybody with that chain on.
All right, you guys, so that is all super easy and quick meal to make. We like to add Fritos and sour cream and cheese on top. It's definitely a cozy, warm meal to have during the colder months. It is a go-to recipe during this time of year for us. So that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you stay tuned for my next video. It is going to be a clean and decorate with me. I'm really excited for that. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.